Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from nothing phone 1 to an Android device. Begin with opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, click on Open. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on an Android. Then select Send on nothing phone and Receive on Android smartphone. From here you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, click on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on the Receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!